Hey, if you want to customize the lock screen clock on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus, here's how you can change it. So first, you have to go to your lock screen. Then tap and hold the lock screen until the customization screen appears. Now here, tap on the clock section. Now you will see different clock designs and fonts available on your device. You can also adjust the font thickness, making it thinner or bolder, depending on how you want it to look. You can also change the clock color. You can match it with your wallpaper or choose any color you like. Now, choose the clock style that fits your preference. For example, you can switch between digital clocks, analog clocks, or even a calendar-style clock. There are also additional options like displaying weather information or showing the date above the clock. And when the style is okay, you can also resize the clock to make it bigger so it's easier to see. So once you are done customizing everything, just tap Done in the top right corner. And now your lock screen clock will look exactly the way you want. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.